Yo, I just drove by this honey baked ham and the line is OD already.
What's up, Kavari crew? Welcome back to my channel. So this video is really exciting because Mel and I are hosting our first ever Thanksgiving this year. First ever. So typically we usually go to Mel's house for Thanksgiving.
My family is going to be out of town and unfortunately we couldn't make it. So we're going to be doing our own for the first time. It's hard for me because like Thanksgiving is one of my favorite holidays and I love my mom's like Thanksgiving meal. I look forward to that every year. So it's gonna be really hard for me to have to cook it now on my own and try and live up to my mom's standards and deliciousness. But
she luckily sent us over a few recipes, so
yeah, she sent us our recipes.
So that's why we're gonna be attempting to host a Thanksgiving.
It is an attempt.
We're not gonna say it's gonna be fire.
I mean, everything's gonna be good besides
we're typically good cooks.
I'm just nervous about the stuffing. Like mac and cheese, I know we'll be able to do. The mashed potatoes, obviously, we already handled the turkey. So like the only thing that is like tough and live up to is gonna be the dressing. Yeah,
so the turkey we're actually buying from Honey Baked Ham. Took the easy way out. It's just like the turkey.
I haven't reached that stage in my dad life to be,
That's when the kids are like
out with the
in
little,
elementary school at least.
Yeah, with the little, what's the little fryer? How did my dad cook it last year? That little,
an oilless fryer.
Yeah, the little oilless fryer. Outside with my brewski taking sips. So I'm not that to that point yet.
We'll get there eventually. So we're taking baby steps. So this Thanksgiving, a lot of our friends are flying back home. So it's just gonna be Yasmin, Ponce, Mel and I, and then Mel's friend Shamar from back home and his girlfriend. So it's gonna be 6 people total. So on the menu, we have the turkey, but that's already gonna be bought the day of. We already put in our order, so that's handled. Then we're also gonna do mac and cheese. He's gonna handle that. Yeah. Mashed potatoes, so little secret. We all, like even Mel's family, we love the store-bought
the Bob Evans ones, they go crazy. I mean,
that's easy.
If you have the time, obviously you can make them fresh, but like, it just takes a long time and then you have to add so much like salt and butter to get it to like the right taste that we want it to. So we just make it easier and buy the little Bob Evans Jones, heat them up, it's delicious.
And then we're also gonna do the stuffing. Yeah. Which we're nervous about. We need rolls. I want to get some nice like Thanksgiving colored flowers to decorate the home, make a little cozy in here. Yeah. So a little bit of decor as well. And then
my arm is about to fall off, so we have to switch. This YouTube life is not easy.
Today is 2 days before Thanksgiving, so tomorrow's the night before Thanksgiving. So we're doing our shopping tonight. We're about to head to Trader Joe's and Ralph's, and you guys are gonna be coming along and attempting to do our first ever Thanksgiving with us. So I just came to Trader Joe's real quick. So I just came here for like decor, just like flowers, but I think I'm gonna pick up this turkey gravy. I'm gonna get 2 of these. And for flowers, I think I'm gonna go with this one. That's what I like most. Oh, these are scented pine cones. It smells really good.
Ryan Little.
Okay, so nobody likes green bean casserole but me. So I wasn't gonna make it, but had to pick up a few ingredients. I'm just gonna make it for myself, to be honest. I texted Yasmin and Ponce, I'm like, do you guys know green bean casserole? They're like, not our fave. I was like, but I got this salad for us to start out with, sweet kale. I love this one's really good. So it's like cranberries in it. It's very Thanksgiving-esque. Give your hands a good washing.
Yeah.
Do not eat it.
What's good, y'all? It is currently 7:52 a.m. I woke up at about 7:30. I'm doing my dad duties right now. I feel like such a dad. You know, I'm waking up. I'm going to go pick up the turkey. The store opens at 8 o'clock. It's about 5 minutes away, so I'm about to head there right now, but opens at 8 o'clock. I got word yesterday that the line for these turkeys was like super long, looking like a Supreme drop. So I'm not trying to be standing in line all day. So I'm about to try and be an early bird, hopefully. I mean, I'm sure there's people that had the same idea as me, and there's people that's probably gonna be there right now, but hopefully I can beat the like super crazy line and get back home quick and be able to take me a little nap again before I gotta wake up and start cooking and stuff, preparing for the actual Thanksgiving meal. So I'll see y'all once I get to this honey baked ham. Yo, I just drove by this honey baked ham and the line is OD already. Oh my God, and we're outside. And I didn't bring a big coat because I didn't expect the line to be outside. I don't know, man, I'm about to be salty, but I did bring my Nintendo Switch, but it is raining, so I can only play that if I'm sheltered. Y'all know I secured the bag after standing in line. It wasn't that bad, you know what I mean? It's intimidating, and as long as the line might have looked, they were actually assisting people pretty efficiently and getting everybody in and out. I like that they had like 5 or 6 people taking orders. I hate when you go to places and there's a super long line and then they'll have like 2 people like working and taking your orders. So I like that they were actually prepared. Obviously, honey baked ham, this is not their first Thanksgiving. Like, I'm sure that they know how this goes. But with that being said, I still like the fact that they were so prepared, made the lines super quick and easy, made sure that people were standing outside for as short as possible. And it's 8:30, so I was in there for about 30 minutes. I literally was walking into the doors at 8 a.m. on the dot. So 30 minutes is not bad for as long as that line was. Good thing I got here as early as I did, you know what I mean? Nas kind of thought I was crazy at first to come here and stand in line this early, but I'm like, yo, I wanna make sure we get this turkey so I can come home and just relax. Like, I don't wanna have to come out later, have them tell me it's sold out, and then we're scrambling to try and find something else to do. So now we for sure got the turkey, we for sure got everything else at home, and we're ready to go. I'm about to go back to the crib, probably sleep for another hour or so. Wake up, start cooking about 1, and yeah, so look who was in bed while I was out standing in the rain and lines. This gal was in the warmth and in bed.
That's what the man of the house does. They go out and hunt.
Well, I secured the bag.
You did?
We got enough turkey to eat for the next 3 or 4 days, babe. Look at how delicious that looks.
Honey baked turkey breast.
The honey baked turkey breast. So we just decided to get this one just because it's mainly going to be like 4 of us eating. Shamar and his girlfriend are coming over, but they're coming over after going to like 2 other families' houses, so they're already going to eat a lot. It's already pre-cut, as you can see. It just has a nice coating of this like honey, like sweet. I don't really know how to explain it, but it's like, you can see it. It's just nice, sweet, delicious coating on top.
Mel's finishing up the mac and cheese. I made my green bean casserole. Look how cute it is. You're gonna have some of my green bean casserole?
No.
You're so mean. Here's our stuffing. It's really good. We've already like tried some of it. Like taste tested it. And that stuffing marinated like we showed you guys overnight, so it's really good. We're all done. So here's everything we got. So we have rolls, salad, our little green bean casserole, mac and cheese, turkey, stuffing, mashed potatoes. Yas and Ponce are here for dinner. That's when they pop up when the food's ready.
Just to eat. Guys, the mac and cheese is fire. Oh my gosh. You guys know how I feel about cheese. I'd be here every night if you made this.
Right. Guys, look at this gravy boat I bought. When you guys saw we went to Ralph's, I bought this gravy cup. And I bought this dish from Ralph's as well. And look at our setup. I'm so proud of us.
I'm so proud of you too. Good job.
Nas is growing up, y'all.
Gordon Ramsay approved. A little bit of gravy. Wait, get this, get this. Oh.
Look at Mel making Roxy and Cozy at Thanksgiving dinner.
Making sure my kids eat.
Aww.
6 hours later.
So that concludes our Thanksgiving, you guys. We are so tired. It is 12:40 a.m.
She's tired. My night's just about to begin. Black Friday, about to go shopping. Run up and fuck up some commas.
He about to go to bed right when this camera comes off. But we had such a great first Thanksgiving. So Yasmin and Ponce came over for dinner, and then Shamar and Bree came over after, and we played card games, we played Uno. Yasmin magically won 3 times in a row, when she's never even played before.
I feel like the less you like think about it, and like really the more nonchalant you play, the better you do. Because Nas won the first time she played when we were in Big Bear. So I feel like when you try hard to win at Uno, you lose, which is like what happened with everybody else besides Yasmin.
So our first Thanksgiving was amazing. What are you thinking?
And the boy was here.
I look so pregnant. Yeah, it was really good. We got hella leftovers in the fridge, but we have a lot of like unopened
We have a lot
food.
of unopened stuff.
A lot of unopened pies. We have a whole like box of turkey unopened. So
so we're gonna give that out to the homeless. There's a lot of homeless in our area, unfortunately. We're sitting here like salty because we're not with our families for Thanksgiving. There's some people who didn't get to celebrate Thanksgiving at all.
Yeah.
So
we got, this is what we're gonna give. So we got a whole, like, we're just taking unopened food. Of course, we're not gonna bring like, you know, half-eaten stuff to them. So we have like unopened pies. This one's unopened as well. Unopened pack of Hawaiian rolls.
for turkey.
This is, so we got 2 of these. We have one that that's half gone, so we're gonna take this tomorrow as well. So I'm sure we're gonna have lots of good stuff. And we're so grateful for our kids, for the Bozeman. He looks so cute in his sweater. Did we show him in his sweater in the vlog?
Yeah, I think so.
Whatever, he looked very handsome in this sweater, but he wanted it off after a little bit. And we're so thankful for our Roxanne that we got this year. Look how happy she got, look at her tail. Oh, we love you guys. And Nala's in the room, so y'all will see her another time. So that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And be sure to give us a big thumbs up and also subscribe down below for more videos. It's crazy to think our next Thanksgiving we're gonna have a little nugget.
Say bye to our boy.
Don't show them my bare belly now.
Say bye to our boy.